This is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to keep a note on top in the Mac Notes app. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Apple Notes has come a long way since its introduction. The Note apps received further improvement. It now supports handwriting recognition, copy and pasting of handwritten notes over some cool widget, and much more. And you can also pin or make your notes on the top of your note list. How to do it so simple. So first of all, of course, you have to manage notes. Now you can just choose on the note that you want to pin, keep on the top of your screen. For the example, we just choose on here. You can just click right on the note that you want to pin, and you'll find there is an option pin note. You can just click on that. So now, as you can see, your note will be appeared on the top of your notes app. So simple, right? You can also pin more than one. This one too. Like this. So cool, right? So that is how to keep your note on the top of your note list. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.